Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in their comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you would like to know the price of the watch, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31. This is the model or reference number 178274. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So jumping right into the dial configuration I currently have here in my hand is the Roman numerals, fashioned 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing, with the white dial. Of course, being a Datejust watch, there are numerous configurations for the Datejust watch, as it is a fashionable dress watch. So the other configurations you can get the dial colors are, specifically in the Roman numerals, you can get in the black, pink, blue, purple, or brown dial color. The purple and brown are special to specifically the Roman numerals. As for the index hour markers, which are just stick markers with luminosity, fillings in them, you can get it in just the black, white, pink, silver, or blue with no available options for that purple or brown. There's also a more luxurious option as well, which is the mother of pearl with diamond, and you can get that in the white mother of pearl or dark mother of pearl. So quite a few options for the choice of the Datejust 31. But besides that, we have the basic Datejust architecture, which is the hour markers, the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, once again made with 18 karat white gold, the Rolex Datejust Oyster perpetual name right underneath that crown logo, and then the date 1 at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. Okay, moving on to the bezel now. So we have very beautiful fluted bezel. The fluted bezel is a special type of bezel made out of 18 karat white gold, and it shines very beautifully as it's a sort of a high polished bezel that captures light very nicely, as it's been machined in a very special way. So as you can see, as I tilt it towards my light source here, you can see that there's a nice contrast of darker portions of the bezel to really bring out more of the shine of other parts that are being highlighted by that light. So very beautiful in conjunction with the case. As we move on to the case now, very nice high polish on the lugs of the case, on the top lugs of the case as well. The case is made out of 9040 steel, which is in-house made steel by Rolex, which has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to it. But it helps frame the dial of the watch with the bezels. You see the nice high polish, and then makes a nice framing with the fluted bezel, and back down to the high polish. Really frames the dial very nicely and looks absolutely beautifully. So moving on, or rather, before we move on to the crown, the case size of this watch, as the name states, Rolex Datejust 31, is a 31mm case size. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. Moving on to the crown now, we have what's called the twin lock screw down double waterproofness system, which unwinds counterclockwise as shown. In the standard position, you can wind the watch about 15 to 20 winds from a dead stop is all you need to get the watch started once more. As you can see that second hand moving. Pulling the crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously by going counterclockwise as shown. You can see how easy it is to go sort through those dates there. Pulling the crown out to the final position will actually stop the second hand, as you see. And that allows for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds, and of course move the hands bidirectionally and set the time however you like. Pressing the crown back in against the case will start that second time once more, and always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistant for 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now, with a very beautiful oyster style bracelet. The oyster style bracelet is a 3-piece link style bracelet with a sand finish and outer 3-piece links, nice high polish down the center. And this watch is also available on the Jubilee style bracelet as well. If you're not interested in the oyster bracelet, it will follow the same styling of the sand finish on the outer of the 3 links and the high polish on the center. Even through the clasp, we have the same patterning, and to the other side of the bracelet as well, we have that same patterning as well. Nice tapering from the lug downwards to the back of the bracelet, so it has a nice proportional look to it from the front. and fits very nicely on the back. The clasp is just a simple folding oyster clasp that opens up as so, revealing this nicely high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there. So that's how the watch looks opened up and then closed up once more. So very easy to use clasp. Now moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this simple oyster case backing. The movement is a 2235 in-house made movement by Rolex. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It has a precision of -2 +2 seconds a day, and that's stated by Rolex also right here at the 6 o'clock position. You see that superlative chronometer officially certified. Rolex likes to boast about that precision that they have with their movements. The functions of the movement itself is for the hour, minute, and second hand with the instantaneous changing of the date and the stopping of the second hand, as I've shown you with the crown functions. And the power reserve of this watch, you're looking at a 48-hour power reserve, meaning you could put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. I'm going to actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist. So once again, locate that folding oyster, and there we are. So typically for Rolex bracelets, it usually fits a 7.5-inch wrist. As you can see, I have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist, and you can still see there's still a little bit of wiggle room there. So very nice, very comfortable feeling overall. And look at that dial, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Very beautiful shine from it, from the high polishing on the hour and minutes hand, working very nicely with the fluted bezel. As you can see, it captures that light very nicely. So if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website, JazTime.com. Our lowest price is guaranteed, and we offer a 1-year warranty. If you like our video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.